Chris Yonke with Insurance Solutions. I've been a member of MIAA for about 5 years. I was a sales manager with Lamar's Insurance, where I would call on individual agencies like we have here today and would just educate them on products and ultimately get them to sell our products. I think I probably had a little more unique perspective with MIAA than maybe just an agency coming on board, because I had worked with those guys on the company side and knew what they were about and knew that they worked for the agencies and did everything they could for them. So yeah, I would say I had kind of a different perspective and really kind of knew the ins and outs of what the group was about. Yeah, I always kind of knew what those benefits were, but now seeing it firsthand on the agency side, you can always speak of it, but I've seen, definitely access to carriers. If we're given the opportunity to write business, we typically can. I've also seen bonus potential. When you look at the group as a whole, the ability or the potential to earn more in bonus is there with the group, and also different discounts, like with a comparative rater. And I didn't know that on the company side, that there are some different discounts on the agency side, but for example, we get a discount on our comparative rater, our agency management system, things of that nature that really cut down your bottom line. I've been a part of the agency for about a year now, and we have a goal of growing 20% every year for the foreseeable future, and I think MIAA is obviously a big part of that, because once again, we do have access to carriers. We know that our best interest is their best interest and vice versa, so I think it's worked out well. As a captive agent, experienced a little bit of that myself. You have to look down the road and really have to ask yourself, you got that one product, that one company now. You live or die really by that one company, and I don't think I'd ever want to be in a situation to where I have to count on one company to take care of all of our needs. And that's the beauty of an independent agency, is that you very rarely have to say no. There's a market for it, and that's obviously the reason for our growth and our success.